Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Georgia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Georgia e-visa portal. The very first thing I would tell you before you begin is go to FAQ. The reason is like a lot of questions that you might have, that what it is and what are the eligibility criteria. You can find it out, what documents you need, application process, everything. And once you are ready, click on apply now. So first select your citizenship. Okay. I'm selecting, let's say, India. Type of but for India there's some additional need here. Okay, but if I select Canada, uh, type of travel document, I select ordinary most of people. Purpose tourism, insurance, and then do the captcha. All the information you see here, I am doing like sample information. But when you apply, make sure you apply with the uh, actual data. And anything you enter has to be checked 2 times. Oh, we are exempt from the visa. Okay, fine. So I'll try again with Indian because I want to walk it through. Tourism, valid visa holder. So let's say you have a Canadian visa. Oh, then you are exempt from visa again. Oh, so that means they are like very much lenient. Tourism. Mm. Stamp security verification code field. Okay, fine. Now it begins. Photo, passport for photo page scanned. Okay. Post completing the first step, e-visa application, including payment, please complete do you verify application addition for you. Okay, within 24 hours, link will be sent. Okay, fine. So that means once you are up through this, it will send you additional verification to complete before you can proceed further with your visa application. Okay, fine. The intended date of arrival. Let's say you are coming 30 days, they issue in 120 days. Okay, visa fee 20 USD. Terms condition, short term. These are the some general conditions that they have imposed. First name, I mean, do it as per your own case, not like this. date of birth, gender, emails and all. Be very careful, guys. This is where the communication will take place. Your passport number is your travel document number, expiration date. If you have a representative, check this. If you are traveling with someone, check this. If nothing, then we can go to the next. But probably yeah, passport. Okay, fine. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so in the next page, it's gonna ask you to check the information that you have entered. If you wanna make any edit, you can just click on edit on any section here, like, and edit it. If you're okay, click on verify. In the next step, it will ask you to pay the payment, and then within 24 hours, you're gonna get the due verify link in your email that you entered on the first screen, and at that link, you are gonna do additional verification, and once all is done, it will go into process, and if granted, you are all to go. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.